Ngisakhumbula yini ngomzalo kuphela umumbu ukuthi thina ekhaya sikufundiswe. Yazi ukuthi ekhaya besiphila a good life, impilo emnandi. Besiphila a luxurious life. If you know how to live a luxurious life. Besithi siphuma esikolweni ufica umama uphekile umumbu, upheka kanti umumbu. Ngingulungile ethatha amakhomane. I want to teach you how. Lonke ngisakhumbula umama into ayengifundisayo. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Umama ayengifundisayo into akhule engifundisayo nekhaya. Ekhatha amakhomane ewafaka embizeni kanje. Sipheka kanje. Sinaqnisile imbiza ezincane lapha eKapa. Imbiza zethu zincane. So I will try to squeeze up everything. Phakathi sipheke a beautiful luxurious queen and king, whatever luxurious food. Yeah, into esikhule sidla leki phela. Leli skofu, yasazi iskofu uma upheka ikhomane kumele ukhiphe iskofu lesi. Izinkukhu ziyakhala phandle. Remind me everything about home. Umama ekhaya. I love that life ebengiphila phayana ekhaya. So it's how my pot is ready. Let's go and cook, guys.